Ciao, it's Anthony. Today we made fresh bread. Look, here's our baguettes. Everything's made homemade at Russo's. We make everything from scratch at the restaurant. Every day, every morning, we make fresh homemade pizza dough. We make fresh pizza sauce. We make meatballs. We make lasagna. We make bolognese sauce. We make everything in-house, fresh with high quality ingredients. Today I want to make a Burrata Prosciutto Sandwich with truffle mushroom spread. Here we go. I'm gonna cut the bread baguette in half. There's bread. This bread. Look, check out the bread. Isn't it beautiful? Look at the size of this French bread. Here's our homemade truffle mushroom sauce right here. Got the little spread on both sides. And we're going to add prosciutto di Parma. This is imported from Italy. It's not domestic prosciutto, it's imported. Here we go. Prosciutto. Okay. Then I'm going to add some fresh arugula. Roma tomatoes. And some burrata cheese. Look at the inside. It's all nice and creamy. High quality burrata mozzarella. I'm going to spread that out. We'll add a pinch of Italian herbs. There we go. This is our amazing sandwich. Look at this. Ain't this beautiful? Right? Stop by Russo's Pizzeria for lunch, for dinner, anytime, any day of the week. Remember, we make everything fresh in-house. Capiche? I'll see you soon. Ciao.